In this question, an incomplete organic reaction is given. We have to identify the major products A and B in this reaction. The reaction is starting with a cyclic alcohol, and this on reaction with phosphorus tribromide, they are producing a product A. So here the reaction will be substitution reaction in which the hydroxyl group will be substituted by the bromine atom. And this reaction can be explained as given here, that is, the alcohol is converting into the product in which the hydroxyl group is substituted by the bromine atom. In the second step, we could see the product A is on heating with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. This will be an elimination reaction, that is, bromine and hydrogen from the adjacent carbon atoms will be removed to produce an alkene as the major product. So here we could see bromine is present in one carbon atom and the hydrogen will be eliminated from the beta carbon atom, and the product will be an alkene, that is the major product of the reaction. And this is dehydrohalogenation reaction. Now let's come to the options given here. In the first option, it is given the hydroxyl group is still there and bromine is substituting some other hydrogen atom from the ring. This is wrong. In the second one, we could see again the same as that of option A, and the product B is given as a ketone. This is also incorrect products. In option C, it is given the product A is the substituted product and B is an alkene. So this is the major products in the reaction. Option C is correct. In option D, the first product is correct, but second product is wrong, because in second product, the bromine and hydrogen should be eliminated from adjacent carbon atoms, so the double bond cannot be come here. So here the answer is option C.